Hey everybody, this is Chirag Bambod and today you're watching me on Celeb Looks 101 where I'm going to recreate Bipasha Basu's Lakme Fashion Week look. Hey everybody, so the look I created today for Celeb Looks 101 was Bipasha Basu's Lakme Fashion Week look. Hey everyone, I'm Chirag Bambod today and I'm on Celeb Looks 101 and I'm trying to go ahead and recreate an amazing look that was used by Katrina Kaif for a red carpet event.
Hold on, things said I like
everyone, I hope all of you really love the look I created for you, and this is one of the most popular looks, which is a red carpet from Katrina Kaif.
Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Matthias D'Souza. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101, and today I'm going to recreate Disha Patani's look from a Hello magazine cover shoot. This was my take on Disha Patani's Hello magazine cover look. I hope you guys liked it.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.